fucked up. It's coming down. I don't even know what to say. Today's rain delay is brought to you by Rowdy Energy. Get yours today.
Rowdy.
So he's half asleep. We're going to take a shot of this energy drink.
Yeah, it's going to wake me up.
It's going to be wide open.
Watch it, boy. See the eyes? Bam!
What you doing?
Trying to live.
Oh, Lord.
We're good.
All right, change of events, but he's hacking his life up right now. But change of events, the sun's coming out. Looks like we're going to be able to go fishing. It rained for a good 30 minutes. We was an hour late getting out here because somebody wouldn't wake up. But he wouldn't wake up. Got here an hour late. As soon as we got here, the bottom fell out for 30 minutes. Now it's sun's coming out, so looks like we're going to get after it. And at the top link, or down in the description, I'm going to put Rowdy Energy. Y'all hit that link if y'all want to get some energy drinks. And this year we're also partnered up with Haybo. So if y'all want some Haybo gear, I'll drop the link down for Haybo gear too. So let's get here and catch some fish.
Today's fishing trip is sponsored by Fireball.
Where'd you get that at?
I won't need none of that.
Well, you done had too much. Huh. I guess that's just to piss us off with it. Pour down for 30 seconds and back to normal again. I love how I can't even talk right now. Damn. Damn, these still worm? Probably old Brent down there. Get that popper out, spook something. That's a decent spot. This one. Yeah, you get that back here.
And then they'll start busting up somewhere else.
Yeah.
I would sit here with rod and point. Can't know what it was.
Yeah, that's what the thing might do.
That was pretty decent one back there in the back.
Oh no!
Yeah, if you don't mind handing me that's what I told you I was going to do it.
Dude, they're schooling up everywhere again. Dump that box lid for me. Open that box lid for me. Oop, another one. Yeah.
Back cast.
Oh, back up in there, fucking big.
Now if you get hit on that, that's definitely they're really big ass.
Oh no, 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 no.
So you're right with a giant one. I just stay rolling the whole time on that camera.
I'm fixing to.
Oh my God, there's
Go, go,
There's
go.
a big-ass
Go,
one
go,
right
go.
there, boy.
They screwed my swim bait to pieces. Man, they schooling up. I'm gonna go for these out deep. Wait for them to start busting again and throw on top of them. Where was that at?
That was me.
Oh. I got another one of the swim baits you can tie one on. I don't either. Okay, that's a baby there. Bye, buddy. Yeah, tie one on real quick. Oh, they ain't doing nothing. There you go, some shoulders right here at the boat. Another keeper. Throw them in the box for me. I'll find the swim baits for you. He's hit it big. Hey, you're not that gonna slack off on that joker. Appreciate it, bud. Thanks for coming. Get a little bit bigger next go around. And we'll talk.
Oh, there we go back.
Yeah, this might be a better one. Is it good? Yeah. Throw them in the box. Throw them in the box. Throw them in the floor. Yep. About a 2-pounder.
Oh my.
Oh, motherfucker, he hit it. Oh, they followed yours in.
He really hit that.
Ah, they're getting up everywhere. You go for those, I got these. Again, they didn't figure out what the swim bait is, didn't they? Again, they just in school everywhere but where my swim bait is.
Hell, they say hitting yours man.
God bless. Oh, there's a big giant school shad going that way, so keep an eye on them.
I just ran right through them.
I just had one of them hit right here at the boat. Howdy there. He ain't big enough to get in the box, is he? Nah, I'll let you go. Toodaloo. Alright, I ain't gonna lie. First half of the day sucked. But we finally got something figured out. They're on the swim baits. They started schooling everywhere. Next morning we got off, we're gonna come out here and try to do a little school and fish again, see if they do that every day or if it's just today. But figured out a little something. Now let's head to the road. Peace out, Beard. Yeah.